By 2030, the number of people aged 65 and older is expected to nearly double, leading to increased healthcare expenses and greater strain on our medical system. Preventing illness and maintaining good health as we age is more crucial now than ever. One effective way to support your health naturally is through the use of superfoods. While it's widely known and recommended to include superfoods like avocados in your daily diet, due to their rich content of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, it might surprise you that the seed holds a substantial portion of the avocado's nutrients. The large seed that is often discarded actually contains much of the beneficial compounds, making it an untapped powerhouse of nutrition. When avocado seeds are dried and made into a powder, research shows this powder to be a safe and natural superfood packed with antioxidants, dietary fibers, and polyphenols. These compounds contribute to various health benefits. Including avocado seed powder in your daily diet is not just a good idea, it's a strategic choice for long-term health and wellness. Here's why. Nutrient density. Avocado seed powder is loaded with antioxidants such as catechins and procyanidins, which help fight free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Heart and cholesterol. The dietary fibers and antioxidants in avocado seed powder can help lower bad LDL cholesterol levels and improve heart health by binding to cholesterol in the digestive system, reducing its absorption and helping prevent atherosclerosis. Digestive health. The fiber content also aids in digestion, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It supports a healthy gut microbiome, which is crucial for overall health. Blood sugar regulation. Fiber in avocado seeds can slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to prevent blood sugar spikes. Detoxification. The antioxidants and polyphenols in avocado seed powder helps protect the body's organs from oxidative stress, such as maintaining a healthy liver and kidneys functions. Incorporating avocado seed powder into your diet is simple and convenient. Add a teaspoon to your morning smoothie, yogurt, or hot cereal. Steep it into a tea, mix it into your baking recipes, or sprinkle it in your soups, sauces, or on a salad. By making small, healthy changes today, you can enjoy a vibrant and active life well into your golden years, potentially saving on future medical costs. Visit www.michoacangrowers.com to learn more and start your journey towards a healthier future today.